Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to see deleted messages on Snapchat. So if you wish to see the deleted messages on Snapchat, you could follow these steps. So basically, Snapchat, when you open it up, so here, when you open this up, this is gonna look something like this. Now go to the chat section. So unfortunately, due to some security concern, there is no way you could retrieve or see the deleted messages on Snapchat. So what you could do is actually the alternative way. If you want to, then click on a Bitmoji icon from the top right and go to the gear icon. When you go to the gear icon or the settings, what next you want to do is scroll down right to the bottom. There you could find My Data section. So over here, you might be asked to log into your account. So you want to make sure to enter in your credential and log in. After which, what you need to do is here, there is this chat history. You could make sure to enable these options. So after you have actually done this or enabled it, so you could just scroll through the bottom of My Data and submit a request. Maybe you might be able to find the information as well. Apart from it, what you could also do is in your Android devices, if you go to settings and come to the notification section, here you have these app notification. So then what you could do is scroll down a bit, and then if you could go ahead and locate this notifications read and reply control or something, you could see the following notifications as well. So this is the alternative way. However, this is not 100% guaranteed solution, but you could give it a try and see whether that works or not. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.